Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with RE/MAX up here in Big Bear Lake. Today I am bringing you your November 2024 real estate market update for the beautiful Big Bear and surrounding mountain areas. Whether you are thinking about buying, selling, or just curious about the latest trends, you are in the right place, so let's dive in. First up, a market overview. November has been an exciting month in the real estate market up here, with homes ranging from charming mountain cabins to sprawling luxury estates. And just wait till you hear what happened. The smallest home sold this month, which was a cozy 576 square foot cabin listed at $207,000 and sold for $205,000. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we saw a breathtaking 8,168 square foot estate with 8 bedrooms and stunning views listed at $12 million and sold for $7.8 million, a significant sale even in our luxury market. Now let's talk about the numbers that matter most to buyers and sellers. The average home sold was a 3-bed, 3-bath, 1878 square foot. The average sold price was about $786, and the list price per square foot was $416, with the average sold price being $396 a square foot. Homes are selling at about 96% of their list price, meaning that sellers are getting very close to their asking price if their homes are priced strategically. Now let's talk about how long homes are staying on the market. On average, homes are taking about 104 days to sell, which we've seen quite a range. The fastest sale closed in just 65 days, likely due to aggressive pricing, strong marketing, or a motivated buyer. The longest sale took a whopping 486 days, which often means the property may have been overpriced initially or required specific hard-to-find buyers. A few trends that we are seeing. We've noticed a few standout trends in this month's market. Luxury homes are moving. High-end homes with unique features like panoramic views, custom finishes, and larger lots are drawing serious buyers. Number 2, well-priced listings sell fast. Homes that are staged, updated, and priced right continue to see strong offers. Number 3, negotiation power remains balanced. We are seeing sellers willing to negotiate but still holding firm on well-maintained move-in ready homes. And number 4, off-market potential. Several homes sold off-market this month, showing that buyers are still eager to snag great properties before they hit the MLS. So what does this mean for buyers and sellers? For sellers, pricing your home accurately is crucial, especially as buyers become more selective heading into the winter. Even in a competitive market, homes that are clean, updated, and professionally marketed tend to sell faster and closer to their list price. And then for buyers, the market still has great opportunities, especially if you're looking for unique properties or homes with potential for vacation rentals. Interest rates remain a factor, so acting sooner rather than later could save you thousands over the life of your mortgage. Looking ahead, as we head into the holiday season, you might think that the market will slow down, but that is not always the case. Serious buyers are still out there, and homes listed during this time often face less competition, which can be a huge advantage. Thank you for tuning into this month's market update. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing, now is a great time to strategize your next move. Feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you navigate every step of the process with expertise and care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this update with anyone who might find it helpful. Until next time, stay warm, stay hopeful, and stay ready for your next real estate adventure. I'm Rachael Smith, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.